training drill is exposure figure eights. We're going to be utilizing a prop today. This is a tough one, so give it a try. If you don't get it at first, try again. All right, moving on, we're going to go with progression 1. Just getting up onto the line, getting into exposure, taking a bit of a wide stance with the legs, got the hips pointed back a little bit like I'm in chair position, and I'm just going to swing the ball back and forth in front a few times, and then swing it behind me. Try that a few times in the front, a few times in the back, and then switch it back and forth. Okay, that's progression 1. Progression 2, we're going to stay up in exposure, come down, take a break if you need. Get into that wide stance again. I'm standing on the ball mounts of my feet, and I'm learning to shift the weight ever so slightly back and forth. So most of the weight's over here right now, and most of the weight's over here. So just doing that exercise as we move. I'm going to put the weight into the right foot and bring the ball around the leg 5 times. Okay, do the same thing on the other side. 5 times. I think that's 5. And then we're going to do it the opposite direction. So we were going in that time, we're going to go around, so around the back. 5 times around the front, 5 times around the back on each side. That's 1 set. Challenge yourself, do as many sets as you want. 2, 3, 4, it's up to you. Now we're going to move into the final pose, or final progression, exposure figure eights. I'm going to do 5 to the inside. 3, I believe. Each side, that's 4. 5. All right, and then 5 to the outside, so going out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 set. Doing it 5 inside, 5 outside. Challenge yourself. Do as many sets as you want. Have fun with this one. Send us your videos. We want to see it. SLACKROBATS training continues.